the coolest properties that I have ever seen. I am in love with this. It is so cool. This amazing mill house is in Great Barrington, Massachusetts, which Great Barrington is known as the Brooklyn of the Berkshires. This home is listed at $3,650,000, has 2 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and is 13,350 square feet. This incredible renovated building was built in 1900. Home has its very own music studio as well as art gallery. Some research on Great Barrington, Massachusetts, and it looks like it is the most charming little town. It has quaint coffee shops, it has film festivals, car shows, hiking, skiing, and several lakes. If you have enjoyed this very cool property as much as I have, if you like this content, please hit that like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching.